Hello, Palawa! Welcome back to our series on bowls. Today we're going to be using some old drinking straws left over from a party, and we're going to be using them to create a bubble tower. It's very simple to do. Let's have a look and see how that works. Great, so to make our bubble tower blowers, we've got a whole lot of drinking straws. These are some I found from ages ago in my Dr. Bob cave. They can just as easily be paper straws, or they can be the bioplastic straws, all excellent. We've got some sticky tape of some description. We've got a shallow tray, and we've got the bubble juice that we made before. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start off by making a double layer of straws that are as wide as your mouth. So my mouth's very wide, so I'm going to go for that many. Other people have very small mouths. Children, preschool children, might only have 4 or 5 of these. I've got lots because I've got a big fat mouth. So what I'm going to do is I want to make them double thickness. So we're going to start with a single thickness like this. This one like that. And then one at the other end. Beautiful. Carefully turn that over. Then I put another layer the same on top. Ha ha! And we trim the ends so that they're all nice and straight. And all those little bits can go into the recycling bin. And now we've got a nice wide double thickness straw. So then we take our shallow tray and use some of the bubble juice that we made the other day. Remember, we've left it overnight. Yeah. So what this means is that when we push the ends of our straws into the bubble mixture, each one of those straws becomes a tiny little bubble wand. So there's actually bubble film in the end, which means when I blow very carefully, a whole stream of bubbles comes out. Now, what we're going to do to build our bubble tower is we go push, 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 but then we make sure we keep the end of our straws above the level of the bubble mixture. So we're actually laying bubbles on top of rather than into the bubble mixture. And we start by building a nice big wide base. And then we can go right through, fill our bubble mixture up again, and put another layer on top. Right, let's just see how high we can build this bubble tower, shall we? So as you can see, I'm actually making sure that the straws, once they're full of the bubble juice, by push, 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 I'm blowing with the tips of the straws above the level of the bubbles, or above the level of the bubble juice, so that I'm laying one layer on top of another. You'll also notice that one loading up of the bubble juice into the ends of the straws can actually be 3 or 4 breaths or 5 breaths. So I'm blowing and then breathing in, blowing out again. Then we just carry on. And each time I'm adding another layer on top. Whoa. Woohoo! See how big a tower you can build. Choice.